we can describe the STCS patient and case data collection by using the new system that is actually currently under development. So we sign in, and here we can see what are the main entities part of this data collection. The patient that receives the organ or organs, the donor of the organs or organ. You can see here the patients, and then the transplantations, and you can see that one transplantation can refer to only one organ or to multiple organs. Therefore, we have the patient level, the donor level, the transplantation level, and the organ level. If we select one patient, and we go to the overview, here we can see that there are data at the so-called baseline. Baseline for the patient is when the patient is enrolled in STCS. Baseline for the transplantation, it's actually when the patient is transplanted. Then we have the follow-up. Each follow-up is an assessment that for STCS is related to a fixed schedule. That it's 0, therefore the baseline, 6 months, followed by a yearly visit. We have also other data that are collected. Psychosocial questionnaire, baseline and follow-up. Samples. This is a biobank composed by liquid samples, plasma, viable cells, and DNA. Then we have events and diseases that they can be patient specific. You can see them reported here. So specific patient diagnosis and diseases like previous transplantation, infectious diseases, conditions leading to transplantation, cardiopulmonary diseases, metabolic, kidney and endocrine diseases, neoplasias, skin cancer, and other important events. Then we have drug prescriptions, lab. Specific labs are organ specific or related at the patient. Therefore, they are reported and collected for the patient no matter the organ or organs that were transplanted. Then we have events and diseases that are collected at the organ level because they are specific for that organ. Underlying diseases, biopsy and rejections, and allograft morbidities can be reoperation, allograft disease, or end of the transplant episode, called also graft loss. In this case, we have reoperation and end of lung transplant episode because the organ is lung. For all the other solid organ transplant, actually what we have is complication and interventions, allograft diseases, graft loss. We have also the stop information. The stop can be dropout from the study or death. STCS collects also information related to the consent process. We can see here consent or consent status with date and other attributes related to this specific patient.